2 then. Okay. What is a molar what is a molar mass of sodium sulfate? So molar mass of sodium sulfate. So to be able to find this question out, kind of like what we did earlier, we first need to figure out what exactly sodium sulfate is. So at least we know this part here, sodium, which is just Na. This is going to be our metal component, and it's just sodium, so Na. And you know, you can use the where it is on the periodic table to say that it likes to give away 1 electron. You can also use the configuration as well. If you start with neon, it's just neon 1, neon 3s1, and you see it here as well. So yes, it just likes to be 1 positive. And now sulfate, as we discussed, because it ends with ATE, it's sulfur with a certain amount of oxygens. So first of all, we can say this is a nonmetal. So this is an ionic compound. Okay. So because I memorized actually, okay, sulfate specifically is SO4 2-. Okay. And let's see actually if it works. Sulfur is like on the 16th column, so that's going to be 6. Well, first oxygen usually x be -2, so it's -8 there. So to have that charge, sulfur is a 6 column, so +6 +6. So I guess it really does balance out. So we have a 2- charge here though. So in order for this to balance out, we need 2 Na. So the actual molecular compound sodium sulfate, it would be Na2SO4. This is sodium sulfate. Okay. So with that being said, they're asking for the molar mass. So get the constituents, 2 Na, okay, times 22.990, 1 sulfur times 32.06, and 4 oxygen times 15.999. Okay. So with that being said, 2 times 22. 2 times 22.990. That's going to be 45.980. Okay. 32.06 and 4 times 15.999, 63.996. Okay. 980. So we're going to add all these together to get the molar mass. So that's plus the 45 plus 32.06. And we got 142.036 grams per mole. So this right here is going to be your molar mass of sodium sulfate. Okay. So let's see. Oh, that's weird. 45, 32. Did I do times 6? No. 4 times 15.999. Oh, geez. Yeah. I don't know why. It just looks so correct. But 16 times 4 is not 48. 16 times 4 is 64. Okay, so this is incorrect. because I think it's 16 times 3, that's 48. Yep, because 16 times 4 is 64. I was wondering why it looked different, but yeah, they almost got it. But they do have that it is chemical formula is Na2SO4, so they did have that part right, but that's incorrect. Now let's solve question